you first open Google Earth, you will probably see this. You might see a whole bunch of stuff on your planet. These are called layers, and the more layers that you have on, the more busy it gets. Okay, so when you're working on this project, you may want to turn all of your layers off. And to turn layers off, you can do that right here by just clicking that. So just make sure all of your layers are off. You also may have a couple of things over here turned on, like I actually have CBS News on, so I've turned those off. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you turn all your layers off so that you have pretty much a clean slate. If you really want to have one of your layers on, borders is probably a good one. Borders at least gives you an outline of where the states are. And as you zoom in more, you can actually see the state boundaries also. Okay? So also become familiar with these toggles up here. This will zoom in, this will zoom out, and there's a sliding bar if you want to slide, but you can also run your finger back and forth on your touchpad and it will do the same thing. This will actually tilt for you, and sometimes it's easier to navigate through Google Earth if you have a mouse. It takes a little bit of time. You can simply, drag and grab to get where you want, but you may find yourself spinning upside down. Remember, north is always here, so to ever get back to north, just click on that north and it'll put you back the way that you need. Sometimes you can get all upside down. I mean, I can do it really easily. Where am I? Where am I going? So if I hit north, it'll put it back right for me, and then I can find where I'm at. There we go. Okay, so basically you're going to need to get familiar with a lot of these tools. There is a website called Google Earth Help that is listed in your EDGE courses for the project description, which will be very helpful for learning how to navigate around in Google Earth. But the one thing you do want to turn off is make sure you turn off your layers so that you don't have a whole bunch of stuff popping up on the screen for your Lightning Thief tour.